Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the infuser was coming out of place, and we basically had to do an in-color reset, as well as pretty much do a tune-up on the machine, replacing the O-ring from the generator, deep cleaning the screen from the generator. I pretty much deep clean all around here, deep clean the spouts as well, and make sure there's nothing all around here, descale the machine, and also clean the grinder. So we're gonna test this machine, starting with one shot of espresso. I got a good amount. You can see we already made coffee with this machine. This is pretty much all the coffee we've been going through it. I've been using this cup a lot. Good water flow and good color coming out of this machine. 1.5 ounces, which is how we have it set up over here. You can increase how much coffee you want per cup, and as well as how much you want the coffee to be ground. So there you have it. Oh wait, just test the hot water as well. Or steam in this case, which I forgot to press it. As you can see, it's coming perfectly fine, really hot, good pressure coming out of the machine, working great. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.